Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today we are going to be learning about Google Classroom application and we are covering how to unmute students in Google Classroom. As a teacher, if you want to give students a chance to participate or ask questions, you can easily unmute them during the class. First of all, open up Google Classroom application on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your Google account's credential. Once you're logged into the account, go ahead and tap on your classes from the classroom section. After selecting one of the class, go ahead and click on the people button at the bottom right, and this will take you to your students list. If you have muted any students and you'd like to unmute them now, all you need to do is to look for the microphone icon crossed out and simply tap on it right next to the student. Now once you open up this page, go ahead and click on the three dots at the top right corner and you will see an unmute button over there. Tap on unmute and click on unmute once again to unmute the certain student. Now right after you do that, you will be able to unmute the student by simply pressing on a button. Their microphone icon will no longer have a cross and they can speak freely in the class. So that's how you successfully unmute students in Google Classroom and allow them to participate in your class. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.